This is so damn cute. 3 ferrets, 1 hammock, equal very cute, very cute. Oh, stretch. Yawn. She's happy. All 3 of them happy. They're all 3 happy. Yeah, I love my fuzzes. They are adorable as hell. 3 heads are better than 2. Okay. Yeah, I woke him up. Didn't mean to. Oh well. Very cute. Bye, Jack. Thanks for oh, okay. Hey, I didn't wake him up. He's just laying on Bean. That's great. Only a ferret, man. I'm telling you. That's awesome. What? I didn't do anything. I'm very comfortable. Damn, she loves it too. That's awesome.